Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome lower body workout. All right, we're gonna work out on those legs, that booty, and most of all, have lots of fun. So let's get into it. All right, starting with our first exercise, we have a lunge step switch. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. I'm gonna go ahead and start. All right, feet start. You're gonna step back and then come forward. Both knees stay bent, and then back. So like, come down to a knees bent first, step back, together, back. All right, so we're doing a lunge step switch. Very good. Staying nice and bent, straight back. Shoulders are pushed away from your ears. All right, you can even do this with your arms, so opposite arm if that feels good, feels natural. Very good. And if staying bent, your knees bent the entire time is not for you today, go ahead, stay forward, go bend, then come up, and then bend again. All right, not bend, lunge. All right, 3, 2, 1, and coming up. Very, very good. Next, we have a squat extension. All right, so squat position, feet are hip width apart. We sit in an invisible chair. All right, invisible chair. And when we come up, we're gonna go on a calf raise. Very good. All right, you can kind of do your arms with this one as well. All right, remembering that good posture, straight back. You wanna avoid arching, avoid being rounded over. All right, straight back, and then coming up. All right, if coming up on your, your tippy toes, doing calf raise is not for you today, go ahead and just do a regular squat. All right, and if a regular squat is not for you today, do a half squat, so going down 6 inches. And if you wanna challenge yourself, you can even do a squat jump, all right? So squat, and then jump, and going back into squat. Alrighty, so different variations for you. And we have 3 sets, all right? So you can do a different one each time. And 3, 2, 1, and come up. Very, very good. Next, we're taking it down to the ground for a donkey kick, all right? Catch your breath, big breath. And on tabletop, all right, on all fours, one leg at a time, we're gonna kick back, flex foot, really squeeze your bum. Make sure you're not open like this, all right? Make sure you square your hips towards the ground, all right? And then come back. Kick, kick. Very good. You can keep your toes curled here so it's already flexed, or you can go ahead and roll them under, whatever makes you feel more comfortable, more stable. All right, very good. Straight back. Your hands are directly below your shoulders, all right? Not forward, not backward. Right there, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come back. Shake out those hands, shake out those wrists, and right back to your back, all right? Turning around to your back for a glute bridge. Big breath, very good. Lay down, roll your lower back, all right? Rolling your lower back so that your lower back is pressed on the floor or mat, all right? Feet are parallel, and we are going to hip thrust, all right? So glute bridge, up, squeeze, 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 really pushing, and then down. Rolling down one vertebrae at a time, because it is possible to arch when you're laying down, all right, going like this, but no, that's why we roll our pelvis. Very good. Roll it down, and then boom, your entire back is on the mat, and that is proper form, all right? So when you go up, you're gonna go ahead, roll one vertebrae at a time, all right? And then it just puts you there in proper form. Very good. But when you come up, squeeze, 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 squeeze. If you wanna challenge yourself, you can even stay like this for the 30 seconds. Just hold it like that, squeezing, all right? If you want to challenge yourself even more, you can go on your tippy toes, all right? Bring it closer to your bum like this, all right? If not, then go ahead and just do regular glute bridge. And 3, 2, 1, and coming down. Woo! Very good. That was it. Set 1 of your lower body burn. Take a second, grab water, and then we're gonna do it again. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do. We went over everything in set 1, so I zip it. Less talking, more doing. We're going straight through the routine. All right, starting with our lunge step switch. Big breath, 30 seconds. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, center, and then up, roll those shoulders back. Very good, squat extension, big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very, very good. Shake it out. All right, taking it down to the floor gently at your own pace for donkey kicks. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, come down. Very good. Shake out those wrists. Turn it around for glute bridge. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, hold it, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And come down slowly, rolling 1 vertebrae at a time. Woo, and there we have it, 2 sets done and dusted. Awesome job, grab your water. Quick break, and then we're doing it one more time. And 3, 2, 1, center, and then up, roll those shoulders back. Very good, squat extension, big breath. And let's go. All right, taking it down to the floor, gently at your own pace for donkey kicks. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come down. Very good. Shake out those wrists. Turn it around for glute bridge. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And come down slowly, rolling one vertebrae at a time. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of an awesome lower body routine. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below. And then if you haven't already, click subscribe, click the bell, give us some love, tell us what you think, what you'd like to see more of, and I hope to see you on the next one.